Hi, I'm Becca and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful butterfly makeup look. So starting with my skin already prepped and primed, I'm just brushing through my eyebrows. I'm now using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade to fill in my brows.
Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it.
I'm now using a Nars clear brow gel to set my brows in place, followed by the Benefit Gimme Brow brow gel just to give them more colour.
You know all the ways I like it. You holding me tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love.
I'm now using the Plouise base to prime my eyelids.
Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain.
While I'm still getting used to doing my makeup on video, I am pulling a lot of funny faces, so please do excuse that.
My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't deny it. You know all the ways.
I'm now setting my eyelids with Revolution's translucent powder.
Tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love.
So going in with a pink blush just above the crease of my eye, and I'm drawing out almost a cut crease, but only the top part. So I'm going in with pink and then I'm just going to be blending that out and diffusing it with other pink blushes. I'm using a Revolution blush palette and all the products I'm using will be linked down below.
Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets, yeah, holding you, holding me, easy love, yeah, you and me, yeah, got me tangled up all in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love.
I'm now using a Barry M liquid eyeliner to just underline that pink eyeshadow I've just blended out, just to make it stand out more.
Nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane.
I'm now using eyelash glue and Newlook's face and body glitter to underline the eyeliner.
You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you.
Now using two different Nars Sheer Glow foundations, I've mixed together a colour that best matches me and I'm just buffing that into my skin.
You're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't deny it. You know all the ways.
I'm now using a lighter concealer just to highlight any points on my face that I want to be brighter.
Tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down.
I'm now just setting my under eyes with Revolution's Lace baking powder. I'm now using a Bourjois Duo bronzer just to bronze and contour my face.
Yeah, you my sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with the daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't deny.
I'm now using two different blushes, both from Mercier. I'm using Fresco and Chai. Fresco I'm using just to buff in my bronzer, and Chai I'm using just to bring some colour back to my face.
You and me, yeah, got me tangled up all in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Sunday morning waking up with
So now using a Max Factor lip liner, I'm drawing out the base shape of the butterflies.
to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with the daredevil's brain.
I'm now just trying to line them up to make sure I get them as close to matching as possible.
My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love.
I'm now going back in with the Revolution blush palette that I used on my eyes, and I'm just blending the darkest shade in the palette into the outer corners of the butterfly and bringing it in with a gradient using lighter blushes until I get to the centre of the butterfly where I'm using a neon.
Tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with the daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby. We be cruising. Oh, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na.
So I just put on some eyeliner off camera. I'm now going in with a black pencil eyeliner and I'm just drawing the outer of the butterfly.
Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with the daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love.
I found this step to be quite tedious. I kind of just found it easier to keep working back between the two, just so I could get them to match.
Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me. Is it love? Yeah, you and me. Yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets. Holding you, holding me. Is it love?
So I'm now just starting to fill out the shapes in the middle of the butterfly's wings.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I
When filling out the inside of the butterfly's wing, I'd suggest just going in with base shapes to begin with and then filling out around it.
sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love.
I'm now going in with a white face paint just to add some dots to the butterfly's wings to make them look more realistic.
Music on, we've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby. We be cruising. Oh, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na. Oh, yeah, you my sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah,
I'm now just using that Newlook glitter again and adding some holographic glitter bits to the butterfly wing.
You and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love.
So I'm now using a Mercier lip liner just to outline my lips and fill in the centre. I'm now going in with a Kevyn Aucoin liquid lipstick in the shade Nicole just to fill out the rest of my lips.
White hot angel with the daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You holding me tangled up in these sheets. Holding
Thank you so much for watching.
me, easy love. Wednesday night just hang.